Step inside interior stylist home, where every room whispers a story told through hand-picked vintage treasures, captivating original artwork, and a color palette that wraps you in rich, moody tones. Deep greens, smoky charcoals, and warm, earthy browns. The family home of Joe and Graham Atkins-Hughes is a striking example of how bold, dramatic interiors can still feel welcoming and lived in. Located in East London, their home reflects the couple's creative backgrounds. Joe is an interior stylist, and Graham is a photographer. Every room tells a story, filled with carefully curated vintage furniture, original artworks, and an atmospheric color palette that leans heavily on deep, moody tones like dark green, charcoal, and earthy browns. The living room is a standout space, featuring dark green velvet sectional sofas arranged around a modern wicker coffee table. The walls are painted a deep matte tone, allowing the artwork and textures to pop. There's an elegant marble fireplace that adds a touch of classic sophistication, adorned with sculptural vases and layered art. A sculptural light fixture hangs from a detailed ceiling medallion, blending traditional and contemporary design elements effortlessly. The overall vibe is cozy yet sophisticated, a perfect setting for quiet evenings or stylish gatherings. The open-plan kitchen and secondary living space continue the home's narrative with a palette of warm wood tones, exposed stone, and vintage modern furnishings. The kitchen cabinetry mixes bold red and natural wood finishes, adding character without overwhelming the space. Leather sofas and soft textiles enhance the comfort level, while mid-century and rustic design elements work together to create an inviting, layered atmosphere. Subtle lighting and thoughtful design touches make the space feel organic and intentional.